Hey guys, and welcome to Darcy's Demos, and today we will be making a squishy. You can draw any face on it, but I've just drawn this one. There. Okay, so what you will need for this video is a sponge with a circle drawn on it, some scissors, a pen, and some balloons, or just one. And what you have, so first get your scissors and cut out around the circle. And don't forget, like and subscribe. So it may take a while. So just get your mind to it and yeah, be cool. So first, really start off cutting off the corners because you don't want this to be too squarey and too big. Because when you put it in, it can be hard. And just cut it as well as you can. Now at the end, don't throw the scraps away while you're doing it because you can put them in at the end. I tried that with this one. This one was made of all of my scraps. So yeah, and this one was just one I made with a whole big thing like this. But that one was like half of this, that's why it's so small. So yeah, so just keep on cutting this and just cut it. So comment down below if you have tried this before. So this is sort of like a challenge video and I'm gonna challenge myself and see if I can make this. So we saw another YouTuber do this and we thought this was really cool, so we're just doing this. And it doesn't need to be cut as well as you possibly can. See, like, just cut off around the edges and bam, you have your circle, sort of like a cylinder. And then what you need to do is get your balloon. You can choose any color. I'm going to go with white. Let's see if this has a hole in it. I'm going to go with white. And first what we need you to do is blow up the white and blow up your white and then just release the air because that makes it more spacious. Okay, so blow up your balloon. I want you to do 5 big puffs. Yeah, I love doing that. That's so fun, just like the satisfaction. Okay. So we got our balloon, and now stretch out the mouth. And then you need to cut the mouth off your balloon. This makes it easier to, it just makes it easier to get the thing in because it can be hard. So you can ask an adult. So yeah. Speed it up. Don't forget, like and subscribe down below if you like my video. So now we've got the mouth of our balloon off. Just put it in the rubbish pile. Okay, so now give your balloon one tiny little puff and then stretch out your balloon, put your whole fingers into it, and just, you might need an adult for this, and just stretch this over. So, yes, now you can. So, stretch it over your thing. It may be a little bit big, but after I'll show you how to get it good. And yeah, it really does work. If your balloon breaks while in the process of this, just try getting another one because you can use the big balloons called Hubba Bubbles and they can get really big if you want. That's optional, but those ones don't make as good as squishies because then your, what's it called, sponge is loose. So it doesn't work as well. So we all know that sponges can be like small and then they can like release. So after you've got your sponge in there, just squish down the excess sponge and then give it a blow and let the sponge sit for a few seconds. So I want you to have it blown up for a few seconds and then it will get as big as you want it to. Wait. This part of the process can be hard, so just wait. But yeah, it's still fun. And don't forget, like and subscribe down below. It's really nice. We need 100,000 likes. Okay. And as you can see, it has grown. It's really satisfying, trust me. And then just blow as much times as you can and as much times as you want. And the excess, where we have our hole here, if you want, you can squish that. You don't actually knot it, you need air coming in, so squish that excess down into it. If that doesn't work, it doesn't matter, but it is a panda squishy. This one just had a face on it, so it's really cute. And now, so for our panda face, draw 2 little circles, 1, and use your Sharpie, but maybe don't play with it for a while because the face will come off at some point. You can draw any face you want, but I'm trying to go for panda or maybe a dog. I don't know, but it's going to be really cool. And because of your circle, you may be able to see that. So that's why you can use a dark balloon, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to make it look like spots on him. And you can make it look however you want it to, but yeah. So, yeah, we have our panda squishy. So, yeah, panda squishy. Actually, this one's gonna be cool, dude, just like mustache. So this one's gonna have a mustache, and your guys can look however you want it to. Big old smiles on their faces. You could, and it's another way of calming down. This is a stress reliever, this one. So, give it a blow. Mine looks like this. I mean, not very much like a panda, but you know, I changed the subject. Just draw whatever you want, okay, guys? I want you to let your imagination go wild. Just I want you to fill up your balloon with ideas.